Good evening everyone. Today I want to show you my unboxing of a new cases for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay, as you already know, it's very difficult to find the best case for the Z Fold 6. After using it for over a year, I'm still trying to find the best case that suit my need until I found this iBlazon Cosmo Pro series case. I bought it from Taobao China for $50, a bit pricey. It has a lot of color scheme to choose from, but I go for the frosted gray or black version. In short, this case is slim enough, grip enough with a pen storage, and most importantly, MagSafe functionality without losing the kickstand function. Also, if you struggle to find the tempered glass screen protector for your Z Fold, this case combo also provide you that. Okay, so to rewind back the old case that I have, here is the first some original Samsung's case. It's very slim. It has a pen storage, but there is no hinge protection. There is no kickstand. I have to install the custom one, and there is no MagSafe functionality. Okay, and the second one is the Spigen Tough Armor Pro P. I really love this case. It's very protective, but a little bit bulky, with a pen storage. Okay, here is the pen storage, and there is a hinge protection. Okay, and personally it has a kickstand, but for me it's very weird. This kickstand work well if you put in vertical mode, but in horizontal mode it's very strange. Okay, and again, there's no MagSafe. Okay, there is no MagSafe functionality. There is no magnetic. Okay, so so the third one, also my favorite case, is the Nilkin Cam Shield Pro. Okay, it's very slim, it's very grippy. Okay, very grippy. It has the camera protection, which is very unique. It has a hinge protection too. Okay, hinge protection with a pen storage. Okay, and yeah, the kickstand. There is also a kickstand. Okay, as you can see, there is a kickstand, Nilkin brand. Okay, but this kickstand is very, for me, is a bit flimsy, but it's work both vertical and in horizontal mode. But the biggest problem for this case is the durability. Okay, as you can see, here is, okay, this hinge broke after fall of only 1 meter. Yeah, and it's very difficult, and also there is no MagSafe. Okay, with this gap there is no way for MagSafe. Okay, so the last one here that I using nowadays, the Nilkin Flex Pure Fold. It's very slim, it's very grippy. It has a pen storage. Okay, but there is no hinge protection. Okay, and yeah, there is no kickstand. I don't want to put the custom one, so it's ruined the grippy feeling. And yeah, and there is no MagSafe. Okay, there is no MagSafe because the pen storage stand in the way. And yeah, and also it has a two design case, so the color of the front part is changing over time, unlike the back part. But however, I'm still rocking this nowadays. But this one is the fifth one. Okay, and personally I think it's going to be the last one. Okay, so let's look around the box and see what inside. Okay, there is a Cosmo iBlazon. Okay, the boxing is always very simple for iBlazon. Okay, nothing fancy except the color. You can see the color is very fancy. Let's go in deeper. Boom. Okay, well, there's a lot of paperwork. Okay, so is that here is the warranty card, 12-month warranty. Okay, looks good. Here is the instruction manual. Okay, it shows how to put how to install here, how to install the S Pen, how to remove it. Okay, here scan again. Okay, to watch installation video. And nothing else. Okay, it's a two-piece cases. Okay, here is the front part. The front part has a tempered glass screen protector. So in order to install it, you have to remove this back part, and then you have to go to setting and change touch sensitivity. But in my case, I think I'm not going to use the front part because now I'm rocking the original Samsung anti-reflective screen protector, and for me it's very great. It's very improve my experience, especially outdoor or under direct sunlight. So I don't think I'm going to use this front part, but I think the main gem of this case is the back part. Okay, here's the back part, and here you go. Is the hinge protection. The hinge protection is not really spring, it's a lock, a lock. It's a lock protection, as you can see. And there is no movement, and when you lock it, okay. And here is the groove to put the S Pen. Okay, and the camera protection is fairly high, and the thickness of the case is not too thick. Okay, so as you can see, and there is the okay. Oh, what is it? It's okay. There is some sticker for you to remove at the back. Okay. Never mind. Okay, this is the MagSafe and also the kickstand. For me, it's very strong. However, there is no way to rotate it, but with this you can stand it, or you can put it like this, and you can clip it. Okay, so let's remove this film. Okay, so it's still clear but a little bit gray here. As you can see, the iBlazon logo, nothing else. I hope there is a way to protect the volume up and down, but it's okay. So let's install it. Okay, okay, my blue Z Fold 6 1 year. Okay, so I already installed the back part, and it's feel very good in the hand. And I think, as you can see, the camera protection is high, and it's have with there is no wobble on the flat surface. Okay, and here, let's say up. Okay, you can put it like this, or you can let's say this one. Okay, it look good, or you can, okay, so it's work both horizontal, okay, and vertical. Okay, click back. The hinge is not going in the way of the front part of the Nilkin case, so I'm lucky with that. And here how to install the S Pen. Not this way, you have to install it sideways like this, and there is a screw, and you clip it, and then boom. Okay, but however, I think the pen storage is not too tight, so it makes some you can still move your pen, so it makes some noise. Okay, as you can see, it's some kind of a bad design. However, I really love this part. Okay, it show out my blue color too. Okay, and let's see how strong the magnet is. Here is my MagSafe storage. Okay, as you can see, it's very strong. Okay, you not drop your phone. Okay, and let's see with the MagSafe. I have Nilkin MagSafe. Let's see how it works. Boom. Okay, it's work. wireless charging. Okay, so so to summarize, this case and is a very easy two-piece snap-on case. Okay, this, and number two, it include the built-in screen tempered glass protector, but unluckily I'm not able to use it. Okay, and it has a raised bezel to help protect the camera lens, okay, of damaging the surface. It's TPU bumper, so it's protect against fall. Okay, and number five, it has a hinge protection that work as a slim S Pen holder, and the most importantly, it has a kickstand that work as a wireless or MagSafe compatible. So that's all for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question or any sharing idea. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.